Facebook family. How's everyone doing today? I hope that everyone is having a great day. If you're joining me, please put hi in the comments. Just checking in. So I know that you're there. So I know that you are with me this lovely afternoon. So happy Friday, everybody. I hope everyone has a great weekend planned. If you don't know already, my name is Shala Sidnor, owner of Shala Sweet Sweets. And this month of January, I have been talking about saving. And saving is so important for everyone. It's very important to invest in yourself all the time. So today's Financial Friday tip is going to be about starting a home-based business and how that can help you save on tax season or on taxes is due, because we all know tax season is here now. So I want to give you my top 10 ways to save on your taxes. So number one, having a home-based business, you're able to save on your office space. So according to tax laws, you're able to write off for $5 for every square foot, and you're able to account for 300 square feet at the most within your home. So you do the math, and let's say you have 180 square feet that you're using for like your office space, just like a separate room in your house. Well, there you go. That's like $900 in tax write-offs. All right, number two, your office supplies. The paper, the printer, the ink, the iPad, the new laptop. These are all things that I had to buy this year in order to work my business from home. So those are simple expenses that you can find as a tax write-off. Number three, you can also write off your internet cell phone bill. You want to write off 50% of this because you do use your cell phone for personal reasons, as well as your your internet. you use your internet and you use your cell phone for personal reasons. So you want to make sure that you are only writing off 50% of those. Then health insurance. For those of you guys who are self-employed and paying for your own personal health insurance, so you're using things like Cobra to pay for your premiums, that means that you nor your spouse are using employer insurance, health insurance plan, employer-based health insurance plan. You're paying for your own monthly premiums. Well, when you own your own home-based business, you're able to completely write off those premiums that you pay to Cobra, which are quite expensive. Number five, meals. So when you have your own base business, you gotta admit, you gotta connect with people. You got to kind of smooth with them. So it typically will involve a lunching or coffee or something like that. So you will be able to write off 50% of those expenses as well. Number six, my favorite tax write-off is travel, because we all know that I love to travel. So you're able to write off the transportation, which would be your airfare or your car rental. You're also able to write off your hotel stay. So Tuesday, Wednesday, you're coming in for a conference. But guess what? If you're coming in for a conference that you're working on Friday and you're going to work on Monday, you're also allowed to write off the 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, in between, which is really great. Number seven, you get to employ your kids. When you have a home-based business, if what you're doing can be labor-intensive, so you may need help with boxing things, moving things, you're able to employ your kids. So like right now in Illinois, minimum wage is $14 an hour. So you can pay your kids $14 an hour, write that off on their taxes. And the great thing about employing your children to do this labor-intensive work, if they're under 17, they do not have to pay Social Security. Therefore, you're able to save on Social Security, as well as allow your kid, because they're an employee, they're able to invest in a Roth IRA, even though they're under 18. So you are teaching your kids a work ethic by helping you with their business, as well as teaching them to save the money in a Roth IRA for future investment purposes. Okay, number nine. Number eight, we're at vehicle mileage. So even though it's a home-based business, you aren't really traveling a lot because of your business in your personal vehicle, but you do travel when you go to pick up office supplies, or if you're going to meet a client outdoors, or you have like a meeting pop-up type of thing where you're attending an event. In that that mileage can be wrote off as well. Number 9, educational expenses. I personally own a network marketing business that sells travel. So it's marketing though, it's entrepreneurship. And those things you can never, hey, how you doing? Thanks for joining me today. You can never learn too much in order to make your business grow. So when you're investing in yourself, you're investing in your education in order to make your business more successful. So if those are marketing classes, they're entrepreneurship classes, then they're there to benefit you. But because you own your own home-based business, you're able to write those off. And last but not least, number 10, your subscriptions. Things like Audible for reading books, things like your Apple that you pay $1 a month for storage. Those type of subscriptions that you pay for, you can also write off on your taxes as owning a home-based business. So I hope that was really helpful for you. And like I said earlier, I do own a home-based travel business, and I think that it's really great because right now, the way I use these tax write-offs is I'm going to write off my travel expenses. Well, I guess not for 2020, but 2021, I'm definitely going on vacation, and I'll be able to write that off. And that's what this business is allowing me to do right now today. I'm also being able to educate my children so they can see how getting my finances together and investing in my future is going to work. Children learn first by example. So if you're setting that example for your kids, you're teaching them. And then last but not least, this home-based business, I hope one day it's going to allow me to pay off my home earlier than expected and then give me the opportunity to invest in real estate so that I can make my money work for me, so that I can set up a retirement for me and my husband that'll be secure. So I hope that you found this information helpful and that you benefited from some of the tips. If you did, please throw it in the comments. Like I said before, if you would like to learn or find out more information on how you can supplement your income from home without getting a second job and without it interfering with what you are already doing, I would be very happy to share more information with you. You can just put info in the comments or you can message me. Either one works for me. Thank you so much for spending time with me this afternoon. I always appreciate it. I hope that everyone has a great day. I look forward to talking again with you guys soon. Enjoy your January. Bye.